So these things are really cool. It's called jumping jack. Jump up tent trailer. So there is a tent underneath here. So you put your toy up top, get to your spot, and then you open it up and it looks like this. So this is pretty cool. And the cost, a 6x8 unit, is $6,900.
This is awesome.
So this is really cool. So obviously no hookups or anything, but this is tent camping. I mean, that's what you're doing when you have this.
Yeah.
So
And room for your toys.
And that's the big thing, is the room for your toys. And your Yeti, look at that. Little Yeti on the back. So super neat.
There you go, the 14's not good enough.
So yeah, I mean, they have different size units. Look how compact it is. Okay, so he's gonna show us how these work.
All right, so the table's already down. Next thing you normally do is you take the pads off the bed and they all come down to the ground as well. That does leave a bunch of room. About half the space is left in here free for sleeping bags, duffel bags, camping chairs, whatever you want that way. Next, you're just gonna unlock the framework, drop the back end, drop the front end down, and from this point, everything else is hinged. So you just fold one side over top of the other side. Everything comes to the center and you zip it into the weather-tight bag so it's completely protected as you're traveling. Take the sides of the trailer, you swing those up and over the top. That's what gives you the platform to load your ATVs, side-by-sides, camping gear, whatever you want right on top of it.
That is awesome.
Now, unlike any other tent trailer out there on the market, with this one, you need to haul firewood, take something to the dump, go to the hardware store, anything like that. Slide that entire tent package right out of your trailer, lock those sides vertically like the one I've got back there. Now you've got a high wall utility trailer to haul whatever you need to haul. To set the thing up, just open the trailer, unzip that tent bag, and pull forward on the tent.
Wow.
So this like sets up faster than our Glam.
Yeah. Top to bottom, by the time I've actually done zippers and put the pads up, you're looking 4 or 5 minutes.
Wow.
Wow.
Throw this table up out of your guys' way.
It's pretty cool.
That is awesome.
I mean, this thing with the blackout wheels is $11,500. That's pretty awesome.
We could totally all sleep in there.
Oh yeah. Well, and we could pull this behind our Class A.
Oh, there you're thinking.
For all the kids in there.
Exactly. This would be the toy room.
Toy room. They would love that, actually.